Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create this fold paper effect on Pixellab. If you are new here, consider subscribing for more design tips and inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much for your continued support. Now let's head straight to Pixellab to get started. This is Pixellab, and the first thing to do is to delete the default text, and we'll be introducing a square shape into our design. Okay, next we'll go to our grid line. We'll enable the grid line. We will be setting it in this manner. Okay, after doing that, we'll reduce the shape and we'll be heading over to the max tool. So click on max, and after clicking on it, we'll be setting it like this. Okay, this is the main process of actually achieving the fold paper effect. So we'll create a curve in the left hand side. We'll do same to this other side. Okay, and after doing that, we would like to create a curve at the downside also. So after you set it like this, okay, and after doing that, we'll try and make the curve. Okay, I'll be doing same for this side until I actually get something like this. Okay, we'll enable and we'll click on out. Okay, we've gotten the first curve, or the first part of the fold paper effect is done. Okay, and now we'll be changing the color. So click on color, enable, and we'll be going over to gradient. Okay, for this side, the first color here, we'll be changing it to white, and we'll be setting it like this. Okay, it's not well, so we'll redo it until we actually, okay, this is better. Okay, now once again we'll be introducing the square shape. Okay, after introducing the shape, we'll head over to the max tool again. So click on max tool, and this time around we want to get a curved triangle. So for us to actually get that, we'll be setting the max points this way, and we'll be adjusting it until we get the curved. So enable it here and click on out. Okay, we'll set it again like this and set the other one. Okay, okay, this is okay. And now we'll be heading to the color. We'll go over to color and we'll be making use of gradients. But this time we'll be leaving the colors exactly this way. We'll just adjust the colors like how they are to be. Okay, and this is better. And now we'll be adjusting the two together. I'll reduce the size of this and adjust it in this manner. Okay, and after doing that, I'll be merging the two together, the two shapes. So we'll be merging the two shapes together, and after merging them, we'll be placing them at the bottom right of the design. Okay, before I do that, I'll reduce the size and I'll place it at the bottom right. Okay. Next, we'll go over to shadow and we'll enable shadow and offset X to -1, and this is it. And finally, we'll be changing the background color. Okay, so this is how to create the fold paper effect. Thank you for watching to the end. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.